Drink that Santa tea. It's gonna make you nice and strong, and you're gonna be bigger and better, and you're gonna look like Santa. Just drink it up. It's not make it nice and strong. That ginger tea do something to you, huh? Yeah. You gotta drink some more, and some more. Don't lick it, babe. That's just nasty. KJ, you put stuff on bed. Drink the ginger tea. Drink the tea. Drink the tea. This is just ooh, nice and strong. It's gonna make you feel better. Your coughing gonna go away because you drank that ginger. Ooh.